Brazil wants to bring back an old tax on financial transactions to help its battered accounts. But convincing people to give more money to the government is proving to be a tough sell. CCTV's Paulo Cabral reports from Sao Paulo.
Out of every real people pay for gasoline in Brazil, more than half goes to pay various government taxes. But many Brazilian drivers are left to wonder where the money actually ends up. It doesn't seem to be in street maintenance. Perceptions here are, in fact, that many public services are of poor quality, that Brazilians get little return for their taxes.
If we had good benefits returning for us for all we pay, it would be okay. But that's not what happens in Brazil. We have problems with education and health care, for example, and we don't see investment in these areas.
Taxes are too high, and the middle class is hit the hardest because we also end up paying private health insurance and education because of the low quality of free government services.
According to data from the Heritage Foundation, a U.S. think tank, Brazil makes it to the list of the 25 countries with the highest tax burdens in the world, over 35% of the GDP, similar to countries like the UK, Iceland and Germany.
Brazil modeled its welfare system to mirror European-style social democracies, charging high taxes but providing many services like free comprehensive health care and education and some social security benefits. Yet the quality of these services is very poor. The government spends a lot, but most Brazilians believe the system is very inefficient.
News of billion-dollar corruption cases, like the notorious Petrobras scandal, amid cuts in the budget to already deficient public services, makes it even harder for the government to convince Brazilians of the need to pay more to cover its deficit. This expert says improving governance of public money and simplifying tax collection are key steps to regaining the public's trust.
We need more public service. We need the population to be more satisfied with the amount that's been paid. In terms of taxation, we need to make the tax system less complex, even if you respect the percentage of tax burden.
Complaining about paying taxes is certainly not limited to Brazilians. But people here say they wouldn't be as bitter if they could at least trust the money was being well spent on their behalf. Paulo Cabral, CCTV, São Paulo.